What's going on, YouTube? It is Sunday night. We are going to take a look at Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. We're going to see how the market's looking. It looks like we're pretty much on schedule as I predicted last night. We were red last night. It's Sunday and we're green again. Now, like I said before, there's speculation of a possible stock market. Like we're going to have some kind of, not a crash, but we could have a recession coming pretty soon, so there could be a pretty big sell-off. And a lot of people, I've heard that a lot of people tend to go toward cryptos. Cryptos tend to do pretty well with the stock market sell-off, so we'll have to wait and see how things go tomorrow in the markets. So let's take a look and see how things are looking. Litecoin is number 5, and Litecoin's got a market cap of 4.707 billion, and we are right now at about 74.50, so we've gone up just a little bit. That's good. And we are up 1.98%, looks like. Okay. And let's take a look at the 24-hour chart. And your 24-hour chart, it looks like take this just a moment to download. Well, it was running faster just a minute ago, so we'll hopefully get pulled up here in a minute. Here we go. It'll eventually get there. There we go. Come on. Hopefully this will eventually get downloaded here. I apologize for this taking so long. So one of these days this chart will be downloaded. We'll see. Oh, there we go. Okay, and we'll see how long it takes to get into the 24-hour chart. 24-hour chart. Let's see. Take it just a moment here. Sorry about this. At first it was going pretty fast, but now it's kind of slowed down all of a sudden. Let's see. I am not sure why this is taking so... Here we go. No. I am not sure why this is taking so long to download. I think tonight we're just going to do Litecoin. Since this computer is running so terribly slow, we're just going to do Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Because it would take a good half an hour. The way the rate this is going would take at least a good half an hour to get this show done. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I do apologize for the slow downloading here. Okay, we started out the day at about 73.05 for Litecoin. Moved up to about... We shot up to about 74.29, then kind of retraced to about 74.05. Let's see, is that going to be your high? Yeah, 74.67 is going to be your high for Litecoin. And your low is going to be about 71.18, it looks like. So you're getting awfully close to that $69 level. If I were to go all into Litecoin, I would wait for about the 65. Okay, like if it hits 65, I would say there's a good shot that it might hit 60. So if you can hold out long, I would wait to see if it hits 60, and if you could maybe get in at 59, maybe 60. I pray to God it does not go that low, because things would get ugly real quick. But I think Litecoin is pretty much bottomed out. I think we're going to just start going up to the top now. I think Litecoin will be between 100 and 140 real soon. we just have to be patient. We got to wait this out. I know this is terribly, terribly boring right now. A lot of people just have kind of lost interest in this right now because basically all it's doing right now is nothing. Basically, all it's doing is just consolidating. Some coins are going a little bit down, but some coins are trying to look like Ethereum and Bitcoin and Ethereum seem like they're trying to consolidate back up again. So it's just in a very powerful downward trend right now. There's a lot of selling pressure on Litecoin. So it's going to take a lot to get it back, but I do believe by the end of the year, Litecoin will be 140 again. I think Litecoin could shoot all the way to 180. I really believe that we could have a $180, maybe $200 Litecoin soon. So, and I also wanted to point out, last night I said that my wife does crafts. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but she made this bottle. If I can get it, yeah, there we go. It's got my Crypto Vision glasses logo on it. It says Crypto Vision in the frames. And then as you can see on the sides here, you've got Bitcoin Cash logo, Ethereum logo, XRP, Litecoin. And she can actually make this. She can get a bottle and put these little images on it for you. She can actually make you whatever. These are just the images I wanted. Any coin that you're interested in, if you're interested in having her make you a bottle, let me know. Put it in the comments below. And if you would like a bottle with any kind of, if there's a particular coin that you really like and I don't have it on my bottle, let me know and she will be more than happy to do it. And I will have to get with her on a price. I will let you know what that is. But as I said before, she does coasters, so that way if you want to set your coffee on your desk and you want to have a coaster, we'll make you a coaster with the Crypto Vision logo on it, as well as with any kind of symbol of the coin you want to put on there. So just let me know what's going on, and we'll take care of you. So Litecoin's looking pretty good. Let's move on to the next coin. It'll take just a moment. As I said last night, I do prefer this OBS over the old way I did it. I know it's a little bit slower, and I do apologize. Okay, Ethereum is your number 2 coin, like I said just a minute ago, because it's kind of running. If I could get this computer running a little faster, I will do XRP. And hell, I'll do XRP tonight. I'll kind of hold off on Bitcoin Cash, but I'll go ahead and do XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Okay, guys, and XRP is number 3, and we got a market cap of 11.670 billion, and we are at 27 cents, and we are up 0.61%. Let's take a look at your 24-hour chart. Take it just a moment here. There we go. Take just a moment to get this going here. Hopefully I didn't just make a mistake by doing this, but we'll see where this goes. Hold on. Okay, here we go. I think it's coming up here soon. Eventually. I do apologize. This is very, very slow. Hold on just a moment. I do apologize for that. Okay, here we go. Hopefully this won't take 30 minutes to download. I need to try to go into this computer and see if I can't delete some programs that might be running in the background that could be possibly slowing this system down. Okay, I sure do hope this does not take forever. So I think, guys, tomorrow, until I can get these kinks worked out, I think for a while, as of tomorrow, we're just going to do Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. That way it doesn't, this just takes way too long for it to get downloaded, because I don't want you guys to have to. I know I would be very impatient if I was sitting there waiting and waiting and waiting for it to come, so I do apologize for the long waits here. Okay. We started out the day for XRP at about 27 cents. And we shot up to 273. Let's see, get that out of the way. And then right here, it looks like we went to 272. Let's see. I think your low is going to be about 268. And your high is going to be 273. So I think XRP is going to get back to the 40-cent range. I've been hearing that there's a good shot it will. We just got to be patient with it. So I think 43 to 50 cents will be your XRP price toward the end of the year. So let's move on to Ethereum. And let's see. Ethereum. Hold on just a second here. Here we go. Okay. Ethereum. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Ethereum's number 2, of course. We got a market cap of 20.524 billion. We're at 190.97, and we are up 0.78%. Let's take a look at that 24-hour chart. And it'll take it about 5 or 10 minutes to download here, and I do apologize for that. Okay. Okay, here we go. And yes, I will try to turn my TV down in the future in case you can hear my TV in the background. I do apologize for that in advance. It's been kind of a long, I might be a little off. I do apologize. I am extremely tired. I kind of got some overtime today, so I went into work and got a lot of stuff done. So that'll be a nice little check. Loading. Hopefully this won't take too long. We'll see how Ethereum's looking. Now, I've noticed all day today I've been watching the HODL, I think that's what it's called, that I watch my coins on. Ethereum's been bouncing between 190 and 192, 193. That's what your support for Ethereum is, between 189, 19. I think it got as low as 189 today, I'm pretty sure. But I think your support right now for Ethereum is the low 190s, like 191, 192, 194, stuff like that. I think we need to start building 195 to 200. Once we get above, it's kind of a psychological thing right now. Once we get above that $200 price range, I think that's going to start building a lot more confidence. And once you build your confidence, that is what will really make the price start to spike. We need to get it back out of 200. We need to get it to 220. Build support at 220. We need for it to start consolidating back up again. Do I think it's going to hit 115 again this year? There's a good chance it could. But I really don't believe that's going to happen. I think it's going to continue. We're going to start going back up again. In the last month, we've kind of been in a downward trend. But I do think we're going to break out of it, and it's going to make things better. Okay. For Ethereum today, we started out the day at about 189, exactly as I thought, 47. And looks like we shot to about 190, 159. And right about here was your high point, 193, looks like. 193.83 to your high. And it looks like your low is going to be, if I can get that box out of the way, Let's see. Let's just say 189.45 is your low. So I believe I saw 185s yesterday. So the good thing is we are trying to break out of the 180s. I mean, it looks like 185 to 192 is going to be your support level. We do need to, as I said a minute ago, we do need to get back to that $200 range. I think the key for Ethereum is to get back to 200. Once you can get back to 200 and stay that way for at least a week or two, I think we're going to be fine. We just need to start building more momentum. There's just been a lot of negative stuff going on about crypto right now, but I do believe we're gonna pull out of it, guys. So you just can't, we got to stay strong. We got to stay positive. We got to we got to keep knowing that, hey, things are going to get better. So I think we're going to be back to 300 again by the end of the year for Ether. I think short term, 195 to 200 range right now, that's your support. Long term, I am definitely long. I've taken all my Ethereum off the internet, so I cannot touch it. And I'm just going to forget that I completely have it. And the money that I'm going to have to play with is going to be the Ethereum that I mine. So that's what I'm going to have to mess with. So as soon as I mine my Ethereum, I can convert that to Litecoin. But anyway, Ethereum's looking good right now. We're going to start pushing back up again. So let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be Bitcoin. It'll take just a moment here. Okay. Bitcoin is number one, of course, and you got a total market cap of 100 and see, I can't really tell what the hell that is. It looks like 184 trillion. If I am wrong, I do apologize. And we are right now at $10,300.74, and we are up 3 point. I need to make this nice so I can see the damn thing. 2.07%. That's good. Let's take a look at your 24-hour. That's another thing I need to kind of tweak this thing. I need to make it to where I can actually see it, and I don't look like a blind person trying to see what I'm doing here. Okay, here we go. In about maybe 10 or 15 minutes, we'll have this downloaded. I'm just kidding. I hope not. But yeah, if you guys are interested in crafts or anything like that, if you want a sports bottle with crypto vision on it, just let me know in the bottom of the comments, and my wife will get it out to you ASAP. She'll put the crypto vision logo on it. And also, if you got, like I said, just let her know what kind of symbol you'd like for your coins. If you like Pat coin, or if you like let's see, Dogcoin. If you're a big fan of Dogcoin, well, she'll put a Dogcoin symbol on there for you, and she'll make it look real nice. She's been really good at that. She just started doing her crafts about a month or two ago. I bought her a Cricut, so that's a really nice. It's like one of the best machines you could possibly have for what she does. So she will make it look very professional, and just let me know if you guys are interested, and I'll be glad to get your orders out for you. So it'll take just a moment here to download the charts. One of these days they'll come up, I hope. Let's see. There we go. Looks like we got some action going on here. Okay. And maybe... Oh, here we go. Okay. Bitcoin. Kind of looks the same as Ethereum a little bit. Okay. We started out the day at about... let's see. We started at about $10,091.69. Shot all the... Kind of ping-ponged all day here. Shot all the way up to 10,299.82, then kind of retraced to about 10,063. So where's your low going to be? Right here looks like your low. 10,000, let's see, no. 10,016.18 is going to be your low today. And your high so far, 10,000. Let's see, $10,510. So Bitcoin's looking better. I mean, it's trying to stay above the 10,000 mark. That is very key. We need to keep it above 10,000. It seems like people freaks out when you hit that 9,000 category. So let's keep it above 10,000. And we're going to take a look at the overall market, and then we'll call it a night. Okay, we've got a, let's see, total market cap of about 268 billion. It looks like, and we've got a 24-hour volume, 58 billion, and a Bitcoin dominance of, it looks like 68.8%. So that would really, it'll make things, I think things are going to get better. We just need to be patient, not panic. Don't panic sell. That's why I got my Ethereum out of my Coinbase, so that way I don't do anything stupid anymore. I'm just going to completely forget I have that amount, and I'll just keep on mining, and I'll use that money to have my playing with money. So anyway, guys, it's Sunday night, Crypto Vision. I'm sorry things been taking a little slow last night and tonight. I will get the kinks worked out of this computer. I'm going to try to figure out what's making it slow, and I'll try to make it faster for you guys so that way the downloads don't take forever. But please remember to share. Please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys watching. And again, if you want a new sports bottle with Crypto Vision logo on it and whatever coin you would like, please let me know in the comments below, and my wife and I will be glad to get those orders shipped out to you. Well, guys, this is Crypto Vision Sunday night, signing off. Peace out, guys.